so it's able to land, and from there I'm able to slide it back. So hopefully I don't die. We'll see. So what I need to do is be able to slide this part back in. Should be able to sit in right. My main concern was not hitting the plasma. So that was one of my main concerns. So now we are good to go. Let's see how we can add this and then start adding the slats to it. Well, I had the idea of putting like something straight through the drainage hole and then picking it up and then swinging it. Well, I just figured why not just push it, and if it falls right, it falls right. If it doesn't, then we just gotta fix that. Started putting the slats back on, see how everything looks. I put the railing. The good thing is we did it perfectly to length with the side rails that hold the slats. They fit pretty snug in there. So that was one of my main concerns, to make sure that we got that measurement right on the inside. And after that, we can start filling it up and seeing how level it is. So all the slats are finally in. We're kind of missing two of them because I left those at home, since we were taking measurements for the waterbed to be able to make sure that it was wide enough. So now that everything's on, we can start filling it up with water and start making sure that it doesn't leak, and start testing it out, see how it works. You can see, I think it's a little off level. Right here, we can see that this is sticking out. And on the end over there, we can see that it's starting to get submerged. So it's off a little under 1/8 of an inch. So it isn't too bad. We can start shimmying it and get it level, but to be honest, it's actually pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Haven't seen any leaks. Everything's looking good. Now I can actually start cleaning this up and start working on some parts. I'm actually about to cut a piece for my friend David. He wants me to cut out a small rectangle just to test out. So let's see how this goes, and yeah, let's see how it goes. we're finally done. That turned out pretty well. I'm going to put the chemical solution Ajax in it. That way the water doesn't rust out the entire table. We finished a little plate for our friend David. It's a little battery holder for the M12s, Milwaukee's. It's pretty nice. Should be able to see these as well on our website whenever you visit texmexmetals.com. So thank you guys for sticking around. It was pretty fun being able to swap out the compressor, adding a water bed in the last couple of days. It's definitely going to improve the shop even better. And if you want to see any of the work that we do, you can visit us at pinchowayracing.com and texmexmetals.com. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Pinchaway Racing and at Tex-Mex Metals. So thank you guys, and see you guys on the next video.